Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to set up a Slack workspace for a small team step by step, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to app.slack.com. Over here, click on the Add a Workspace box at the top left corner. Then, from the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Add a Workspace. After that, click Create a new workspace. Over here, enter your email address and click Continue. Then check your email, retrieve the 6-digit verification code, and enter it into the designated box. After that, confirm your Slack name. Over here, upload a photo if you want to personalize your workspace. Then enter a name for your workspace and click Next. After that, enter your colleagues' email addresses to invite them, or skip this step if you want to add them later. Over here, choose whether to use the free version or the pro version of Slack. Then, complete the setup to create your new Slack workspace. Finally, type a welcome message to your team and start using your new Slack workspace. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.